Look, when you're trying to look better, it's the small details that compound into making you look the stud you want to look. I'm going to give you an example of this. You're thinking, oh man, I wish I had the right genetics. I wish I was taller. I'm telling you, get pants that fit. Literally. Get pants that fit, especially perfectly around that hip area. I'm telling you, you'll win. You'll win when you got pants that fit right. You just look more athletic. You look more powerful. You look like you have a strong base. If you make sure they don't sag and they fit perfectly on that hip and waist area, that they don't stack too much, I'm telling you, it's going to make you look taller. It's going to make you look more athletic. It's going to make you look more attractive. You're focusing on the wrong things. Focus on the things you can actually manipulate. And a lot of these things, they're small details. Like trim the unseam, right? Most of you aren't thinking trimming the body hair, trimming the leg hair, trimming the private area. You're not thinking that that's going to actually make you look better, but we know there's a reason bodybuilders tackle this area, because when they step on stage, this is when they look the godliest. This is when they look as perfect as possible, fully shredded, aesthetic. That's how you can look. Especially when the clothes comes off and you're perfectly hygienic, perfectly groomed. Yo, that's a small detail she probably did not expect. That's going to make a huge difference. That's going to leave an impact. Let's be real. And if you want to take it a step ahead, I would suggest you check out our company Manscaped and our new ball shaving kit. Look, we've revolutionized ball shaving for men. Let's be real. 4 million trimmers sold worldwide. There is no other company that does it like us. There's a bunch of imitators, but we were the first to innovate in this industry, and we're doing it again. This time with the Pebble. This is our in-house engineered razor. Again, you won't find something like this in the market. Our team literally sat down and designed a razor that fit perfectly in the hand that gives you ultimate control, so you could reduce the amount of nicks and get the closest shave possible on your balls. So now, it's not just about trimming that area. If you want a close shave with no hair, our Pebble from Manscaped is your best friend. Once you buy it, you can subscribe and receive shaving heads every time you need them. Not to mention, it also comes with a clear gel or shaving cream, so when you apply it, it allows the razor to smoothly glide over your balls to avoid nicks and cuts, but also, since it applies clear, you can see where you're going to, again, give you that full control. Boys, if you guys want to check out our ball shaver, it's going to be linked down below, and on top of that, I'm going to give you a 20% discount and free shipping, so you can really take care of those small details, the ones people aren't noticing, so you can look better. If you guys want to check out our company Manscaped, it'll be linked down below. Number 3, I call it the C-line. This thing is a small detail, but you do it right, crazy impact on your face. It's this right here. I call it the C-line because it's like a perfect C that circles your neck region. You want to do it where your neck meets the bottom of your chin. You get that perfect C right there. What you're doing is giving the illusion of highlighting a strong jawline. Basically, what ends up happening is, since your beard is wrapping underneath your jawline, any double chin you might have or extra baby fat underneath gets washed away with the illusion of a full beard. So now your jawline just looks more powerful. 4, keep your shoes clean. This is a simple one. Yo, $20. I think it's like $15. Go on Amazon right now. You can get a shoe cleaning kit for your sneakers, for your shoes, for $15 off of Amazon. It'll be the best $15 you ever spend, because every day and everywhere you pull up, your shoes will look brand new. Especially if after every single wear you put in shoe treats and you brush off all the dirt, brush off any scuffs that you might have had. I promise you, those shoes that might have costed you $80, $90, or $100 are going to last you 2 to 3 times longer and make you look as good as it did when you first bought them. 5, slow down your speech. Again, bro, to look better, it's small stuff. Most of this stuff is free. Slow down your tempo. I've talked about this before. When you're in conversation, take your time, right? You can have larger pauses. This allows you to think before you speak, so you don't stumble on your words, while also making it seem as if you have complete control over the conversation. And that confidence, that's attractive. Number 6, tilt your head up and to the left. This right here. Scientifically proven. Yo, I don't make this stuff up, bro. You can look it up yourself. The left side of your face is the most attractive side of your face. Another interesting scientific fact is that when you tilt your head, it's a sign of interest. So when you're in a conversation with somebody and you tilt your head to the left, you're not only showing them your most attractive side, you're showing interest.
Number 7, wear tinted sunscreen.
I wear sunscreen every day. You probably can't even tell. I got it on right now. And one thing that I hate as a dark skin colored dude is that when I wear that regular sunscreen, I get like this like hazy white film on my face. It's hideous. I look like a ghost. I hate it. So I started using tinted sunscreen, which is tinted in the same skin tone color as my skin. Now what's interesting is that now I protect my skin against the sun. Now I don't have that white film on my face, but 2 or 3, it has an adverse benefit that it acts almost like a light cover-up. So any little imperfection you might have, fine lines, wrinkles, acne scar, etc., gets covered up immediately so your skin looks flawless.